Hello, buongiorno, hola, guten tag. Welcome to Big Mick's Little Plot. So, today's jobs, what are we up to? Well, let's have a little look. A named storm, I can't remember the name, but a named storm is coming in to the UK today at around noon. It's about, what time is it? It's about 9-ish? Yeah, so we're going to try and get as much done as is humanly possible before the storms come. You can see by the artichokes and the tunnel which has somehow got open. Yeah, it's going to be a wild one yet again. So yeah, let's crack on, shall we? It's looking quite busy in here. Yeah, there's a lot of yellows to take. I'll take all those onions today. Yeah, we're just about done for the year. It's nice red pepper there. Look at it. Oof, beautiful. Right, let's crack on. Take it into the first tunnel now, and we'll have a little look at what's in there, right? Oh, it's not too bad, you know. Let's show you, say. Chinese dragon tongue there. Another dragon tongue. Another dragon tongue. And then it just goes nuts. So, let's see what we can get out of it all, like. Can't get away. So I've just got my thumbnail. Really happy with them. There's still quite a lot in here though. There are actually some alright tomatoes in here, believe it or not. Like I cropped them all down and then the weather's just been dire, but they're all gonna have to come out because everything's gonna blight out soon. But yeah, quite happy. There's a couple of really good ones down there, I'll take them. I've got the seeds from them as well, so I'll grow them again next year. But yeah, we're getting there. these are dragon tongues, and these are very, very sweet, and then very, very hot. Ooh, nice little tomato there. So yeah, very sweet and very hot. I made a chili and garlic sauce from them, and it was sound, you know, it was really nice. But yeah, if anyone wants any sauces or anything, just email me. You go to my channel description, I'm sure my email address is in there. Only money for them. That's not what it's about, is he? There's that, there's... no, not that one. It's a bit knackered. No, keep doing that. Thing is, when you're picking the dragon tongues, you tend to want to pop off. So that'll have to be minced and frozen. This is the another onivec. They're a beautiful, beautiful pepper. As I say, beautiful colouring. What I would definitely say is that I think they're meant to be a lot hotter, but we didn't get the kind of really roaring hot sunshine that we did last year. Last year my habaneros were unbelievable. Even my jalapenos were unbelievable. But it's I think that's more come from, like, we had a spell of 40 centigrade heat, and it's helped develop the capsaicin in them a bit more. But that said, I still wouldn't eat one of those without a glass of milk or a bit of water, Andy, or Pepsi Max, you know me. Come on. So we're back just a little while later. I had a little scurry around to see if there was anything really nice to take, and unfortunately my cup runneth over. So we've got lots of mashed potato squash, a couple of little bit pasta collies, but they'll do. Do you know what I mean? I'm just going to blanch and freeze them. A couple of cabbages there that I'm going to have to be really fussy over, because we didn't use any pesticides or anything like that, so they are a little bit buggy, but I think you just get that without before you wash them. So I'm going to shred and wash them thoroughly and make coleslaw with them. Got a handful of little beetroots there, and as I say, the two rubble sacks here, just chocolate with peppers, which is really good. So yeah, being the nearly 36-year-old man that I am, I have called my mum, and she is on the way to rescue me. So yeah, I'll try and put the camera on while she berates me, which is, I mean, completely justified, let's be honest.
I've never seen so many chilies in my entire life.
So, do you kind of forgive me for calling it out on a stormy day?
Yes.
There's no way they were letting me in a taxi with all that, is there?
Look. How many chilies?
I have to pick them, I have to pick them.
How many chilies? How many chilies? Look. Lemon drops. Ridiculous. What's that one?
It's an onivec, that one, I believe.
Onivec. The sweet one.
I've got lots of baby sweet ones there, so I'm going to stuff them with cheese for tea tonight.
Yeah.
We're doing veggie burgers. We're trying to do like a week of vegetarian. Tom, come on. Tom.
Nice, Mike.
You can smell Maggie, that's what it is.
See more. That's the most.
There's more in there though. There's more in there, and there's still, as I say.
That's the most amount of peppers I've ever seen in my life.
They've done dead well. I'd have about 3 of them lemon drop plants next year instead of 15.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, no, next year, don't think we need to do chilies, Mike. I think we just concentrate on sweet peppers and onions. And
no, I'm definitely doing chilies. I need habaneros again. Yeah, I need habaneros again. And I want to try some varieties that I haven't tried yet. So that's the plan for next year.
Right.
Tomatoes were a bust this year as well, really, compared to last year. Yeah. Have you seen that big red?
Yes. I know, that's what I thought. I got him out before. He was just fantastic.
Right, we'll resume back at the house when I go through all this stuff.